Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video we want to continue our lesson on binary operations, and we are going to talk about identity element. Now a set R is said to have an identity element E with respect to a binary operation star if for every element A is a member of the set R such that A star E is equal to E star A, and that is equal to A. So for binary operations, what we are trying to say is that if an element A in the set R is combined with an identity element under a binary operation star, the result is still A. Now under this section, we are going to focus on two basic mathematical operations. We are going to talk about the addition operation and the multiplication operation. So let's start with the addition operation. Now the identity element under addition is 0, in the sense that if A is combined with 0 under the addition operation, using this binary operation is equal to 0 plus A, which is equal to A. So A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A, which is equal to A. So basically, when A is combined with 0 under the addition operation, the result is A. The result does not change. So it follows that under addition, the identity element E is equal to 0. So the whole concept behind identity element is that when an element A of the set R is combined with an identity element under the operation star, the result does not change. Now let's do same for multiplication. So the identity element under multiplication is 1, because when A is multiplied by 1, this is equal to 1 times A, and it is still A. So when A is combined with 1 under the multiplication operation, the result does not change. The result is still A. So it follows that under multiplication, the identity element is 1. Now, one important thing you need to take note of is that a set R is said to have an identity element if and only if the binary operation is commutative. Now, if the binary operation is not commutative, it means that the set R will not have an identity element. So now, having this information, let's try and solve some questions. So let's solve our first question. The binary operation star is defined on the set R of real numbers by A star B equals A plus B plus 2AB. We are going to find the identity element under the operation star. So we said that to find the identity element, A star E should be equal to E star A, which is equal to A. Now we have a binary operation here. A star B equals A plus B plus 2AB. So we are going to substitute E in place of B in this binary operation to find the identity element. So this time we have A star E equals A plus B is E. So plus E plus 2AE equals, now A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. So we have A plus E plus 2AE equals A. Now let's focus on this. So this becomes A plus E plus 2AE equals A. Now because we have A on both sides, we can do away with A. So we cancel out A, and then we have E plus 2AE equals 0. Because we want to find E, we can factor out E. So we have E into bracket. E times 1 is E, and then E times 2A is 2AE. That is equal to 0. We divide through by 1 plus 2A and then we have E to be equal to 0 over 1 plus 2A, and then 0 over 1 plus 2A is equal to 0. So we have E to be equal to 0. So it follows that the identity element under the operation star is equal to 0. Now let's solve the second question. So for the second question, a binary operation star is defined on the set R of real numbers by p star k equals p plus k minus root 2, where p and k are all members of R. Now we are going to find the identity element E of R under the operation star. So like we did in the previous question, P star E equals E star P, which is equal to P. So now using this binary operation, our K becomes E. So we have P star E, which is equal to P plus E minus root 2, and that is equal to P. So this becomes P plus E minus square root of 2 equals P. We have P on both sides, so we can cancel out P, and then we are left with E minus square root of 2 equals 0. So we transpose negative square root of 2 to the right hand side, so that we have E equals square root of 2. So the identity element E under the operation star is square root of 2. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Do well to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.